So we had a great day today. Doesn't matter what happened, it was a really good day, so we're gonna do a little celebration. Right here, we have Pappy 12. Right here, we have some Blantons. Right here, we have Weller 107. We're gonna try them all, but wait for it. We're gonna make an ice cream shape out of, yes, the unopened Pappy 12 will be part of an ice cream shake. Let's go. So like I said, Pappy Van Winkle Milkshake. Here's the ingredients. All right, that's a little caramel in there already. Gonna open this up quick, if I can. Never been opened, proof. Proof that this is the first time. Oh, it smells wonderful. I can't believe I'm doing this actually. Pappy, no, I'm not gonna sip it. I'm gonna make a milkshake. Everyone wondering? It's gonna taste great because why wouldn't it? I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. Need a little bit more ice cream. A little bit of ice from my assistant. Look at that long arm. There we go. And look at that. It's a Pappy Van Winkle milkshake. The baby's crying, he wants some so much. Let me taste it. Oh my gosh. $1,000 milkshake every day.